y'all, Neci Love Harmon here of What She Creating Enterprises, and today we will be adding thread to the bobbin of the Kenmore 158.1345381 series sewing machine. Try to say that 2 times. All right, so let's get started. First, you need to have your metal bobbin that goes with this type of machine, as well as some spool thread. All right, so let's go. Okay, so I'm going to take my spool thread and add it to one of the spool pins. And then I'm going to put my bobbin on the bobbin winder spindle and push it down like that. All right, I take my thread and I'm going to utilize the circle here. I'm going to wrap it around the circle. Take it and I'm going to wrap it like this around the circle. Okay. I'm going to take my scissors and cut the end of the thread. This will make it sharp enough so that it'll be easy to put it through the bobbin. So I'm going to take my bobbin off like this, and I'm going to put it through the underside of the top of the bobbin. So here we go. I'm going to take it and put it through like that. Okay, exactly like that. Don't put it through the bottom, only at the top. I'm going to take it and place it back on the winder spindle, just like that. And then I'm going to click it to the right with my finger, okay? All right, let's turn it this way. And there's this is the hand wheel. And we talked about that in the previous tutorial as far as the hand wheel making the needle go up and down. But this time we're going to take the clutch knob and we're going to turn it to the left to loosen it. And now the needle doesn't go up and down. It doesn't move at all. And that's what we want because we want it to thread the bobbin. Just hold this tight in our hands because once you push the foot pedal that's on the floor, so hold it tight. And then I'm going to push the foot pedal for 3 seconds. And it should start to wind. Okay. And now I want to take my scissors and cut it close to the bobbin, cut the extra thread off, okay? And I'm going to push my foot pedal. The machine will stop on its own. So I'm just going to let it wind. Okay, you see how it's starting to stop, or it has stopped. And so now you're good to go. You're finished. You want to make sure that you load your bobbin with thread. Otherwise, you're going to keep having to do this over and over. I'm going to take the scissors and cut to detach, push it back to the left, and then take it off. And you look at it, it should be nice and tight. It's not loose and it's not loopy. Okay, so it should look exactly like your top thread here. Okay. And then don't forget that you have to push the clutch knob back in place by turning it to the right and holding it. And that way your needle will continue to go up and down and you can sew. All right, so you have successfully threaded the bobbin, adding thread to the bobbin of the Kenmore 158.1345381 series sewing machine. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. Subscribe and click that like button. Give us super things. Connect via social media. Send us video ideas.